carpet manufacturing module. The carpet manufacturing module is designed to help the carpet manufacturer to manage their carpet types, their carpet designs, their carpet raw materials, and the entire production for their carpets, from the master data setup to the production to quality control to inventory and then sales and certain reporting that they can have. So starting from the module itself, so over here we have the master data, basically the carpet types, the pile materials that will be used in the carpets, the designs, and the looms where the carpets are manufactured. Then there comes the production orders for the carpet productions, then the quality checks for the yarns and the shade approvals, then QC checks parameters, and the non-conformance reports. Over here is the inventory for the carpet rolls produced and the sales for carpet quotations, and then the reporting based on the production and the grade distribution. Starting with the carpet types, over here we have all the carpet types that we can define. Let's go into one of the carpet types. In the carpet types, we can provide the name, the construction type, how is the carpet being constructed, the default pile height, the pile density, and the pile materials that we use in this particular carpet. Then coming on to the pile materials, over here the materials that we are using for the carpet can be defined over here. We can provide the name, the material class, the raw material, the shrinkage percentage, the face weight, the wash resistance, and any certifications that this particular material has. We can provide a URL for that. Then coming to the carpet designs, over here we can prepare the carpet designs. Let's say a customer has requested a custom carpet designs from us from Marriott Hotel. So we can create a carpet designs that they expect, the carpet type, the repeated width and the length, and the color coding, and the CII live preferences. Basically this is for the color grading, so that we can have our color grading for our color variants. Over here, if you want to create a new design, you can just click over here. You can name that particular color design. If you want to add a customer, you can add a customer, or you can just simply provide the carpet type. Then you can add the color code. You can add the color name. Then you can add your values for grading. And you can have a sample product if you want to add a sample product over here. Then you can just approve, submit for review, or discontinue it. Then coming to the looms. So looms are basically your work centers, as same as the work centers that are in Odoo. You can just enable them in your settings, and you can set up the loom, the work center, the loom type, whether it's which type it falls into, the usable width, the max pile that that loom supports, the gauge of the needles that loom has, and the nominal speed and other setup details that you can add, and the design that this particular loom is currently manufacturing. Now these will be your master data. Now coming to the inventory setup. In the inventory, you can set up your products like the raw materials that you have, the yarns, the adhesives, and the backing cloth. And then you will have your main manufacturing product, which will be the carpet. You can define that, and you can enable this carpet over here, and you can add the carpet details, the carpet type, the pile material, and the available width, so you can get all the details. Then you can have a bill of material created for this particular carpet. In the bill of materials, you can provide basic details like the product, another variant if it has, the quantity that this particular BoM can produce. Then these are the carpet specific details, the carpet type, that we created in our master data, the pile height, the density, the carpet width, and the area of calculation with all the components that this carpet will have. Then in the operations, you can provide the work centers over here, and the miscellaneous operations are like Odoo standard manufacturing. Then you come back to your carpet manufacturing. Over here, when you go to the quality, you have your yarn lots and shade approvals. So how this particular things work is, whenever you purchase a yarn or a lot, let's say you purchase a yarn from your yarn supplier, you purchase this particular products, let's say different yarns from him, and you receive the lots for them. Now you want to verify the lots for the shade approvals, so you can do that by going into quality control and creating a new lot approval. Select the particular lot that has to be approved, and then you can just enter the yarn count, the dye batch, the shade reference, and the values for it. So let's say I enter a particular value over here. So basically this value will create a delta value. This particular delta value shall match with your design standard, and if this delta value matches with your design standard, then you can based on that decide the approval of this particular shade or not. So if your lot is approved, it will be shown in the green and approved lots, and if it's still not approved, it will show in this particular red color. You can directly approve or reject the shade from here, or you can select the multiple values and have a shade approval wizard from here. You can have your design, your limit set over here. You can see the limit, you can see if it's within tolerable limit, you can see it and you can approve. So your yarn lot will be approved. Now coming to the production of actual carpets, you will create a production orders for the carpet. You can simply select the products, let's say Royal Heritage carpet, and you can see all the details are here. Then the work orders are created with the expected duration. You can enter the quantity that you want to produce, and it will show the which are the components which are not available. The components which are not available can be purchased, and the quantities can be increased. Let me go back and add some quantity to wool yarn. So I will go to inventory variants. I will select my navy color, and I will increase the quantity by creating a new lot. Quantity over here. Okay, let's go back to manufacturing. And this is the draft one. Okay, now all my components are available. So basically these I have done it manually, but based on that you will place a PO for that. And now you can go into carpet detail, select the dedicated loom. You can just go to the components and then confirm the order. Once the order is confirmed, it's into production now. You can plan the production, you can start unreserve. All the features that are available in the manufacturing can be used over here, and once the particular manufacturing order is done, you can just produce it, and when the production is generated, it will generate all the product moves from the components and create a new manufacturing product. And over here it will create a role with a custom lot number. Then this lot can go into a QC stage. This can be done in the QC, and then in the QC you can see all the details. Then you can define the grade, which grade it falls into, and you can add if there are any defects based on the grade. If you want, then you can put on the QC pass, QC fail, or in hold. You can manage this. So let's say this is passed, then this is into QC passed, and then we can have our sales quotation ready for our manufactured carpet. We can select our customer, we can have, and we can set and share the design with him, and we can enter the requested width, requested length. We'll just enter the amount over here. If it is a sample, we can check it's a sample line, and we can share the sample, and we can confirm the orders, and then we can validate the delivery. So this is how this particular manufacturing works. Now if you go back to reporting, we'll have a production dashboard over here, which will show our QC pass rate, our today's meters, and yarn shed alerts and open alerts, all the details over here. If any QC is pending, it will show into the alerts. And then we can have a grade based distribution as well, where you can see your grades based on the production. So overall, this was the carpet manufacturing module that you can manage all your masters and production with QC and the inventory, and create the sale orders for your carpet manufacturing.